Continuing with logarithm, today I shall try to discuss few important questions from your chapter. The very first question I have taken, you have to prove this statement. Alright, if you look at the statement, 2 log a plus b is equal to 2 log a plus log of 1 plus 2b by a plus b square by a square, right? So let's try to prove this one. So it will be better if I start the right hand side. So I'll rewrite the right hand side for you people. This is 2 log a plus logarithm of 1 plus 2b by a plus b square by a square. Alright. You know the properties now? What happens to this power? Right? So let's recall the properties. So if you have suppose log of x to the power m, so this m goes here, right? So m log x, isn't it? So same way, this 2 will go up if I do the reverse, so this will be log a square. Now here, let me keep it like this on, there is no change. Don't take LCM here, keep it like this. Now log a plus log b, if you recall the property, log a plus log b is log ab. So this is log a plus log b. So this and this will be combined and I have to multiply. So a square into 1 plus 2b by a plus b square by a square. So now if I multiply, I'll get log a square, a cancel, 2ab, a square cancel, b square. That's it, so multiply, right? So this will give you, now this is very interesting, a square plus 2ab plus b square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. Formula, right? So a plus b whole square, this 2 now will come here. So it will be 2 log a plus b. Right? So isn't it your left hand side? Yes. Right. Very important question and very interesting also, right? So what I have done, we have used these two properties. Please revise these two properties if you can't remember them. And this is the solution for this particular question. Alright. So let's take another important question for you people today. Okay. So let me take the next question for you. The next question is logarithm of a square by bc, logarithm of a square by bc plus logarithm of b square by ca plus logarithm of c square by ab. We have to prove that this is equal to 0. Alright, very interesting and very easy question. So I'll start on left hand side, of course. Right hand side is 0 only. So I'll rewrite the left hand side, log of a square by bc plus logarithm of b square by ca plus logarithm of c square by ab. All of them have common base. What is the base? Can you tell me the base? If I don't write anything over here, the base is automatically 10. Yes, you guessed right. So if the bases are same, I can combine all these terms. So I can combine all these terms and I have to multiply them, right? Like this, isn't it? Okay, now very interesting thing to do here, cancel. Let me cancel all the terms. See, people enjoy this thing, I know. So if I cancel all these terms, what is left? Don't say 0, right? What is left is 1. And you know this property, I explained this property, logarithm of 1 is always 0. And that is your right answer. As I said, very interesting because everything gets cancelled out. Very important because some of you write 0 here after cancelling out, right? That is why. Okay, that is one more question. Let me take one more for you today. Alright, put the next question, log of a whole square. Let me write a question for you people. I have log of a whole square minus log of b whole square. It proved that log ab into log a by b. Alright, this is what it proved. Again, this is going to be very, very easy. You shall understand in a minute. So I'll take the left hand side again and let me write a statement for you people. Log of a whole square minus log of b whole square. Alright. So this is a square minus b square. It is the formula of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So same way, if I apply this formula here, the a plus b into a minus b. Extremely important line. I think you have understood. So after this, the formula only log a plus log b is log ab. If you know the formulas, this is very simple. Log a by log b is log a by. This is nothing but your matrix, isn't it? Very simple. Alright. So basically, what you're doing now to solve these questions, we're using the properties. Right. Now, if you have not watched the video where I have explained all these rules, laws of logarithm, please watch that video first. Otherwise, you will not understand what's going on over here. Alright. So in the next video, I shall take few more questions. Let's meet in the next.